So in this video, you guys, I want to show you how I made $33,000 with affiliate marketing and free advertising. We're going to jump straight into this. I'm going to show you this step by step. It's a simple 7-step process. So if you're looking forward to the content, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, take the bell icon, especially if you like the idea of making money online passively with affiliate marketing and just in general, whether you own a business or you don't own a business. This is the place to learn how to start and grow a business. So go ahead, subscribe, tick the bell icon, and let's go ahead and let's jump right into this. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to jump over to jvnotifypro.com. Once you come here, you're going to see all of the latest product launches in the internet marketing space that are coming up. So what we want to do here is we want to find a new product launch where there's a lot of affiliates on board and also the product owners, the promoters, the people that created the product, in other words, have success with past product launches. And so it might take some filtering to go through each and every one of these. But for example, let me show you a reputable one. So on January 10th, there's 123 Profit that's going to be launching. You can click over here to the JV invite page. It will have you create an account with JV Notify Pro, which you could do fairly quickly. After you create an account, you're going to be able to go ahead and you're going to be able to log in. So I'm going to be able to go to partner login. We're going to be able to log straight into here and you can see all of the details for this specific launch. So let's go ahead and let's go back home now that we're logged in, and let's see if we can go ahead and we can log in here to 123 Profits JV site. Now, JV means joint venture, and this is where they provide all of the materials for the launch. So I just simply clicked on 123 Profit right here, took us to this page, and then what we can do is we can actually scroll down and we can see the dates of launch, and we can see the history of their success in the past. So check this out. It says our last 8 launches have generated nearly $60 million in commissions for our partners. So this is an indicator that's a great product to promote. It's going to be a great successful launch. There's going to be a lot of buzz around it. There's going to be a lot of other affiliates promoting. And so that's the indicator that we want to be looking for. So if we're coming across another launch, for example, that doesn't have any results or any proof of high earnings of past launches, then it's something that we probably want to go ahead and pass on. Now, the next thing that we could do is we can actually go ahead and get on the notification list. So enter your first name, email address, your ClickBank ID. Make sure you have a ClickBank account. You can get one for free just by going over to clickbank.com, and then you'll just simply register for the launch. After you do that, you will receive an email with promotional materials that then you can use to create a simple capture page that looks something like this. This will be an early bird capture page that you will create to gather names and email addresses, so when the product launches, you can share it with potential customers. You can use this easily when you're promoting across social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. So the way that I went ahead and created this is I used a software known as Kartra. Now, you guys can use whatever you want. If you use ClickFunnels, if you use Groove Pages, if you use Kartra, there's tons of different online softwares out there that will automatically create these templates, these pages for you. And then all you simply need to do is just fill in the text. And so to find this text, to find these bullet points, all I did is I went to my email, and you can see because I signed up on the JV launch page, they recently sent me this email. It says 123 Profit, JV, TikTok, your mailing plan, bonus ideas, maximizing your commissions, etc. So what we can actually do is we can scroll down here. It gives us a manual that we can go ahead and we can take a look at, and it will tell us more about the product. And what we can actually do is we can take the bullet points of the product, the biggest features and benefits, and we can use that on our capture page. So this says this is a method. This method is a twist on CPA marketing where you get paid commissions by generating leads. And then this says you don't need to sell anything. And so what I did is I took each of these bullet points and I made them bullet points on my capture page, as you can see right here. I even took this part, this subheadline right here, and I simply just got that from this page once again. It says this jaw-droppingly effective business model has nothing to do with the e-commerce, crypto, or the IM niche. So you could just simply take the main bullet points of what the product offers, formulate a capture page around that, and essentially this is the big promise right here. It's a 3-step strategy that generates up to $10,000 per day or more. And again, it simply says that. I believe it's right here somewhere, right here. This method is so effective, it's currently generating our company up to $10,000 per day or more. So you've got your big benefit right here, and then you've got your subheadline right here, and then you've got your bullet points. What are they going to get out of this product if they decide to obviously purchase, if they decide to move forward and get notified when it launches? Well, why do I want to get notified when it launches? Well, because you're going to get this, this, and this. So it's important to have these bullet points, these features and benefits that people are going to get from this specific product. So then I just fill out your info below to be notified when this method launches. People enter their name and email address and click yes, notify me. And then simply on the next page, it just tells people to check their inbox, confirm their subscription, because I'm doing double confirmed opt-in. Click the confirmation link and look for an email on January 4th when this launches. And that's when I'll go ahead and I'll send out my affiliate link. Now, after you complete this step, what you want to do is create a pre-review video. And this is just pretty much an overview video of what the product will entail. So all I did, you can see right here, is I did a screen capture video, just like this video right here. And I'm sharing this document right here. And I'm just explaining to people what the product is going to be about. And then simply at the end, what I do is I say, hey, if you want to be notified when this product launches, go ahead, click the link in the description, which they can click this link right here, and it's going to take them to that early bird capture page that we created so we can start capturing names and email addresses. So essentially what's going to happen is on the day of launch, this video is going to get a great influx of traffic. Well, why do you say that, Josh? Because for this product promotion, there's a lot of other affiliates besides myself that have massive email lists. We're talking hundreds of thousands, if not millions, that are going to be promoting. The potential customers are going to open these emails. They're going to learn about 123 Profit, and then they're going to head to YouTube and type in 123 Profit Review. That's where they will see my video. That's where I'm going to get a lot of traffic on the day of launch and have the opportunity to create a lot of revenue and sales from other people's efforts. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to create promotional material for social media that essentially promotes your capture page that you created. And then what you can do is whatever software, online, web-based funnel creating software that you used, you can forward people directly to a domain that you've purchased. In this case, it's abcpayday.com. You can even connect your domain directly to your funnel in your funnel building service if it allows it as well. So what I did is I used a website called canva.com, for example, to create this banner right here. So if we go over to Canva, let me just drag this over here, and you type in YouTube thumbnail, or you can type in Facebook thumbnail, for example. So like Facebook cover, group cover, page cover photo, right? So like in this case, I used a Facebook group cover, and I was able to select from one of these templates and then simply modify it. So the end result was, let me just go ahead and pull it up. This was the original template that I started with, and this is what I ended with. So you can change the text over here. You can upload a photo of yourself, which is something fun that you can do. So for example, let's say I uploaded this photo and I went ahead and I created another page, which you can do just by simply clicking duplicate page right here. And then you can, make it so it's white on the background if you want. That doesn't really matter, but essentially what you could do is you can select this entire image here, select edit image, and remove the background right here. So after a few seconds, you can see the background is going to be removed and it's left with just me. So I can simply take this, I can copy it, and I can paste it, for example, right here. Okay, that's exactly what I did with this image here. And then I made some modifications, obviously from the original text to the text that I wanted, and then simply put get notified and then put my website right here. And it was really just as easy and as simple as that. And then I went ahead and clicked on edit cover photo and I uploaded this photo straight to my Facebook profile. So that's one of the first things that you can do. Another thing that you can do is simply just promote through Facebook posts and reels. So if we go ahead and scroll down right here, we can go ahead and scroll down for a minute and you're going to be able to see a few different promotions that I did for my website to promote this new product launch. So you could see one right here. And essentially, again, all I did is this is me talking, but taking the script, right? Taking the script from the original capture page right here. And all I'm doing is I'm taking these bullet points and then I'm putting them in the form of video and then having a call to action where I send people to this website right here to fill out their information for more. So this is all just pre-launch promotional material to get people on an email list. So the day of launch, I will email out the offer to get people to go ahead and view the offer, go through the training, and eventually buy. So I took this, turned it into a reel. I also just uploaded the original video natively on Facebook, as you can see right here. And then I made little edits. I added the website right here, which you can do in Camtasia, ScreenFlow. There's different softwares that you can use there. And then there's also a software, a caption software that you can find in the App Store or the Google Play Store that will automatically add captions to your video. So you can see again, no links within this video or within this post, I guess I could say. The more links that you add within the actual post, the less engagement it will get. So the fact that, Facebook doesn't recognize that there's a link in my video, that doesn't affect the engagement whatsoever. So this is just a direct marketing post where I'm just directly promoting my capture page. There's also other posts and videos that I created. You could see right here. Again, I took the same exact bullet points that you could see right here and I turned it into a video, added some B-roll in here. You can use a website called Pexels to actually create this B-roll right here. You just go to Google and type in Pexels and it will pull up this page right here. And you can simply download this B-roll that you see right here and you can formulate a video out of it. And then also you can go ahead and you can plug it into that AI and it will simply do the transcription right here. So all I did was I did a quick audio into my iPhone and I simply, once again, just read off of this right here. And then I combined that audio with Pexels stock video. And then I simply turned that into a short that you can see right here. And it was really that simple. And again, at the end of this, it promotes my capture page. So that's another example. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. You can see another photo that I created with Canva that sends people directly, once again, to this domain. And again, all I did, once again, was I took the features and benefits. I took, what's on the capture page, pasted it here, and then have a call to action telling people to go to my website. And that is pretty much it. I even created another reel right here, features and benefits, just text on screen. And then at the very end of it, boom, I'm telling people to go to my capture page once again. So creating numerous promotional material that you could put on Facebook, you could put on TikTok, you could put on Instagram will greatly help your overall launch. But most of your income will come from your pre-review video right here and also the actual review video, which leads us to our next step. Okay, so this part is crucial. This is the last step. On the day of launch, what you're gonna do is you're going to create an actual review video of the product. So yes, you're actually going to purchase the product, you're gonna go through it, and you're going to do a review. You're going to document and show people what's inside the members area and your thoughts and your opinions of the actual product. And then what you're gonna do at the end of your review is you're going to go ahead and offer a bonus for people that join you, that buy through your affiliate link. And what this is going to do is it's going to increase your conversion rate. You want the bonus to go ahead and complement the product. So for example, one of the things that I like to do is, because I'm purchasing the product, I will create a separate mastermind group where we can share ideas and exactly what we're doing as we go through our journey of going through the product and implementing its techniques and the results that we're getting that we can share with other people. So people like the idea of having a community around them that supports them. So that is a great bonus. And then simply you could take your review video. It's on YouTube. It'll live on YouTube, so it'll get traffic there from people that are searching for the product. You can also take the video and you can embed it on a separate page with a countdown timer and the bullet points of what they're going to get for purchasing from you as far as the bonuses. And then you would just simply take that page with that video and you would send it out to your early bird list that you just created. And you would also send it out to anybody else on your email list and go ahead and spread it across social media. And that, my friend, is the formula, the 7-step formula to a successful product launch as an affiliate marketer. Some people call this launch sniping, some people call this launch jacking, but essentially you're leveraging other people's lists, their authority, the buzz in the marketplace, the product owner's authority to create revenue, create free advertising that you can turn into sales and earn low ticket and even high ticket commissions. One last tip I want to add to that is, if you can find a good product launch that has high commissions above 500 or 1,000, you have a winner. If you got value from this, let me know below. Like this video. If you want to learn how to do this in its entirety and you want to master affiliate marketing, I've got a separate mastermind group where you can join us and we'll help you each and every day along the way to success with affiliate marketing. We dive deeper into this strategy as well as other strategies such as building an overall brand and creating a systematic process that generates high ticket commissions for you day in and day out. So if you have any questions about that, you want to learn more, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, super approachable, and we'll just see if you're a good fit regardless. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.